Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into some exciting leaks and rumors surrounding DJI's upcoming Osmo Pocket 4. If you're a fan of compact cameras or a creator looking to up your content game, this one's for you. DJI's Osmo Pocket series has been a go-to for vloggers, travelers, and anyone who needs a portable camera with pro-level capabilities, and it looks like the Pocket 4 could be bringing some serious upgrades. From camera improvements and screen enhancements to rumors about accessories, we'll be covering everything we know so far to give you a glimpse of what to expect. As always, if you're interested in learning more or staying up to date on the latest tech, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future updates. Now, without any further ado, let's jump into it. First, let's talk about the design. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to stick with that familiar, compact form factor we've come to love in the Osmo Pocket series, but we might see a few improvements. Rumor has it that DJI is considering a more ergonomic grip and possibly even making the screen slightly larger than the 2-inch display on the Pocket 3. This could mean a 2.5-inch display, possibly with better brightness and visibility outdoors. DJI knows that visibility in bright sunlight has been a pain point, so here's hoping they address that with improved screen quality. Next, let's move to what really matters, the camera. The Osmo Pocket 3 introduced a 1-inch sensor, which was a game changer for low-light performance. For the Pocket 4, some sources suggest that we could see a slightly higher resolution sensor, maybe around 12 megapixels or more. DJI might aim to strike a balance between resolution and low-light performance, which would be amazing for vloggers and travelers. Additionally, we might see an improved frame rate, allowing users to shoot 4K video at up to 240 frames per second for those smooth slow-motion shots. A 3-axis gimbal should return for incredibly stable footage, even in dynamic filming conditions. Autofocus has been another area of improvement in the Osmo series. While the Pocket 3's Active Track 6.0 was solid, users did have some complaints about focus inconsistencies, especially in low-light or complex environments. So, DJI could be rolling out an upgraded Active Track 7.0 system. This may include phase detection, eye tracking, and an increased number of focus points, making it easier to keep moving subjects in sharp focus. We touched briefly on the display improvements, but there's more to consider in terms of usability. The Pocket 4 could have a 2.5-inch, high-resolution screen with around 800 nits of brightness. This would make it much easier to operate outdoors, where bright sunlight can make viewing a challenge. There's also speculation about a more responsive touchscreen, making it easier to navigate menus quickly. These kinds of refinements could make a big difference, especially for content creators who rely on touch functionality for fast adjustments. DJI's creator combos and additional accessories have always added versatility to the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is expected to be no different. Some rumored additions to the accessory lineup include an external battery pack for extended shooting times, a waterproof case for underwater filming, and possibly even a new telephoto lens adapter. These extras could really broaden the range of what this tiny camera can do. Now, let's talk price and release timing. Although DJI hasn't officially confirmed the release date, we can speculate based on their past release cycles. The Osmo Pocket 3 launched in October 2023, so it's reasonable to expect the Pocket 4 sometime in late 2026 or early 2027. As for price, it'll likely come in higher than its predecessor. The Osmo Pocket 3 launched at around $539 for the standard version and $689 for the creator combo, so we might see the Pocket 4 priced around $699 for the base model, with the creator combo pushing closer to $799. So, that's what we know about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 so far. With potential improvements in design, camera quality, autofocus, and accessories, it sounds like DJI is really aiming to make this their best handheld camera yet. As always, we'll keep an eye out for more details, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated. And, of course, let us know in the comments if the Osmo Pocket 4 is something you're excited for, or if you're leaning toward one of the alternatives. And these are the leaks of upcoming DJI Osmo Pocket 4. If you want more information about this camera, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye, and take care.